So going straight into the makeup, I already put on my foundation, and it was a Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. And the only color for the eyes today that I'll be using is a Maybelline Bronze Shadow. I think that's the name. And it's just the individual eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over my lid. And like I said, this is the only color that we're using. The quick, easy, simple makeup, you know, back to school, whatever it may be. Quick and easy, like I said. So I'm just going to go ahead and curl my lashes. And I'll be using, for mascara, the LA Color Bold Lash. And for this video, I didn't put lashes on, but you can easily put on lashes if you want to be, you know, extra. I didn't do it just for the sake of this video because a lot of people, you know, probably wouldn't want to wear lashes on the first day of school or don't know how to. But yeah, I did it without the lashes. So concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and that was in the shade Sand number 20, and I'm just applying that underneath my eyes, my nose, everywhere that I would like to highlight, and just blending that out. And this is actually a beauty blender that I got from Walmart, and I think it's the Maybelline. Everything is basically Maybelline, so yeah, it wasn't a real beauty blender. It was like $3, which is hella good because I really do like it. It blends out perfectly. To set my face, I'll be taking the Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder, and I'm in the shade Light. Well, I got the shade Light, but just applying that on underneath my eyes. Oh my god, I can't talk. Underneath my eyes and the rest of my face. I didn't bake too long just because, I mean, I do have oily skin, but some people probably don't want to bake for like 8 hours because it may look kind of, not bake for 8 hours, but bake that long because their makeup may be on for, you know, the whole time at school, and it may look a little bit crusty. So if you feel like you have to bake for a while, then go ahead and do so. But to contour, I'll be taking the NYX Contour and Highlight Palette and taking that lighter shade right there and just bronzing up my face to bring back just a little bit more color. For blush, I'll be taking the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. As you guys know, this is my favorite drugstore and just favorite blush in general. It's just so beautiful, you guys. So next, I'll just go ahead and take my rose water, just spritzing my highlighter fan to get more of the highlighter on for a better pigment. And yet again, I'm going back in with the NYX Contour and Highlight Palette, and I'm using that highlighter shade right there. So taking my favorite NYX Butter Gloss in the shade, well, the color Creme Brulee, just applying that on my lips. A nice light pink gloss, and that just fits me. It's my favorite. Just finishing up the eyes now with some Maybelline Great Lash mascara for the bottom lash, and that's basically it. Taking again my rose water, I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face, and that is it. So that is it for this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy this simple, easy makeup tutorial. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. But other than that, I will probably upload a video sometime this week about more on like the glam side of first day of school, or you know, just for work on a certain basis. But I will go ahead and film that later this week. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, subscribe if you haven't already. I would really love it. But I will go ahead and see you guys next time in the videos. Bye, you guys.